Hi everyone, managing a fleet of vehicles is hard work. You have to track which vehicles are available, which drivers are on the road, how much fuel is being used, when a vehicle needs repair, which trips are on time, and a lot more. Most teams do all of this in spreadsheets, paper notes, and WhatsApp groups. That works for a while, but as a fleet grows, it gets very messy, very fast. So I built FleetFlow, a clean, simple web app that puts everything in one place and actually feels nice to use every day. Let me show you how it works step by step. When you open FleetFlow, you see a simple modern login page. There's no clutter, just exactly what you need. You can sign in with your own account. For this demo, I will choose a role from the preset. You can log in as a fleet manager, a dispatcher, a safety officer, or a financial analyst. Each role is there for a reason. A fleet manager cares about the full picture, a dispatcher cares about trips and live status, a safety officer cares about incidents and maintenance. A financial analyst cares about cost. When you pick a role, FleetFlow adjusts what you see. So the most important tools are always just one click away. Once I selected my role and hit login, I am inside the app. The first screen you see is a dashboard. I like to call it the command center right at the top. You get key numbers that matters every single day. How many vehicles you have in total, how many are currently available, how many are out on a trip, how many are in the workshop. You see all of this live in one clean screen without scrolling. Each of these cards is not just a number, they are interactive. If I click on available vehicles, the rest of the page focus on that group. If I click on trip, the data below updates to show only trips and vehicles that are currently active. This makes it very easy to answer questions like how many vehicles are on the road right now or how many are stuck in the maintenance. Without touching a spreadsheet, the color and sample icons also help you read the dashboard quickly. Even if you just glance at the screen for 2 seconds, you can understand situation. Now let's move to the vehicle registry. This is the heart of the system because everything starts with your vehicle. This is where all your assets live. At the top, you can filter by vehicle types, trucks, vans, bikes, or by status, available, on trip, in shop, or retired. You can also switch between two views. The first view is the table view. This is the perfect when you have many vehicles and want a compact data heavy layout. Each row is one vehicle and you can see the plate number, type, capacity, odometer, region, status, and cost in a single glance. There's also a small capacity bar inside the table so you can visually compare which vehicles can carry more load. The second view is the grid view, hence each vehicle gets its own card. This is more visual and easier to scan. On each card, you see a big emoji that shows the vehicle type. You see the name of the vehicle, the license plate in a clear code style label, the current status badge, the maximum load with a horizontal bar, the odometer reading, the region chip, and quick action for editing or retiring the vehicle. The colored strips at the top of each card tells you the status even before you read the text. Green for available, blue for trip, orange for in a shop, gray for retired. This means a dispatcher or a manager can quickly understand the status of the fleet just by the color on the screen. Searching is also very simple. You can type a part of vehicle name, a plate number, or a region like North or Ahmedabad, and the list instantly filters down. If you change the filters at the top, the result update in real time. There is no apply button or page reload. Everything is smooth. Adding a new vehicle is just as easy. You click the add vehicle button and a model opens. On the left, you enter the details, vehicle name or model, license plate, type, status, maximum capacity, odometer, operating region, and acquisition cost. On the right, you see a live preview that uses the same design as the cards in the grid. As you type, the preview updates. This makes it harder to make mistakes because you see exactly how the vehicle will appear to the other users. When you are done, you click save vehicle and it joins the registry immediately. Editing a vehicle works the same way. You can open any vehicle, change the status, update the odometer or correct a plate number. and save. Next, let's look at the trip dispatcher. This is the place where operations actually happen. Here you assign trips, track progress and make sure deliveries are completed. To create a new trip, you choose a vehicle from the list, pick a driver, set the pickup and drop off locations and choose the date and time. You can also add notes like fragile goods or priority customer. Once you save, the trips appears on the board. The trips are shown in the simple column. So that's the FleetFlow. Thank you for watching.